Hi everyone. Today's our topic is question with static option messaging component. This is the third video of messaging component series. If you did not watch my previous videos, you can find the link in description for playlist of messaging component. For giving the demo of messaging component, we will use the messaging for in-app and web channel. For that also you can find the link in description for entire playlist. Okay. So before starting, I want to introduce myself. I am Sunil Sharma, Salesforce certified developer. Okay. So let's start. So bro, what all the channels support this messaging component? So Question with static option messaging component is supported by different messaging channel. So first messaging channel is messaging for in-app and web, and second messaging component is enhanced WhatsApp and enhanced Facebook Messenger. So in WhatsApp and in Facebook, we have two different type of channel. One is standard, second is enhanced. So it is supported in enhanced only. Third, our channel is enhanced Apple Message for Business. Fourth is enhanced Line. Fifth is bring your own channel podcast. So fifth and sixth are some custom channels. Okay. So bro, what all the formats supported by this messaging component? MC messaging component. So messaging for in-app and web supports card crojan, buttons, quick replies, and text. Text is the default format for all the channels. Okay. Enhanced WhatsApp supports buttons, list selector, and text. Enhanced Facebook Messenger supports buttons, card closure, quick replies, and text. Enhanced SMS is supporting only text. And enhanced Apple Message for Business, it supports list selector, quick replies, and text. Enhanced Line supports card closure, buttons, quick replies, and text. Okay, so let's start. So let's switch to Salesforce. So just log in your Salesforce and search here messaging component. Click here, click on new messaging component. Okay. So here we have different options for messaging component. We want to create question with options. Okay. Click on next. Here we have two options. We want to ask static question or dynamic options. So in this video, we will cover only static option. Question with static option is useful if we are creating some more frequently asked question. Okay, so suppose customer is chatting with agent, then suppose customer want to check bank account balance. So the default question is what is your bank account number. So means very frequently asked questions we can store in our messaging component. Okay. So here, but just now I have given the example in that uh, we are expecting some user input, but here we want to provide some options. You have to select from one of them only. Okay, for example, here some example is given. Hello, how can we help you today? So this is the question agent is asking, and he has given three options like related to orders, related to delivery, related to billings. So these are the options, static options. Okay, dynamic options we will cover in subsequent videos. So select static. Okay, here here we have to mention what is our question. So I'm just taking simple question like what is your favorite uh, fruit? So these questions depend business to business because in banking sector the questions are frequently questions are related to banking. If a shipping company, then related to shipping orders. Okay, so it depends. So I have taken a normal example like what is your favorite food? Sorry, favorite fruit. Click on next. Here we have to provide the options. What all the options we want to provide to customer. He need to select one of them. So I am just giving mango. Okay. S- Here we can click on add options so that we can add more options. Banana, and third option is pineapple. Okay. I want to give only three options. Okay. Here you can see write the choice that appears with your question in messaging session. You can add, remove, or reorder. So just now I have created with the help of this upper up and down arrow, we can arrange the position. Click on next. Here we have to provide the messaging component name. So I'm just providing uh question static option YouTube demo. Okay, here we can provide some description. So this description is helpful for other developers like what is the purpose of creating this messaging component. Click on next. So our messaging component is ready. Okay, so we can add a different formats like that we will check just now. Okay, so here I am using messaging for in app and web channel. So in details I have already explained. So I will start my chat. I just want to transfer my chat to agent only. Here I want to highlight one point that I'm using external site github.io I have used, and on that I have hosted my messaging for in-app and web. So if you are not familiar, then you can find the link of playlist of messaging for in-app. In that, in details, I have explained about messaging for in-app and web, how to using inside community, how to use in external site. In details, I have already explained. So you can find the link of my playlist in description. Okay, let's start. So yeah, I got the notification. So just now I have explained you that the default format of our messaging component is uh, text. Okay. So messaging component, our messaging component name is question static option YouTube demo. Okay. So here you can see currently we have only come inside component format. We have only one option called text. Okay. So now agent has accepted the chat. Now here we have option called messaging component. Click on that. Here you can see all. Here we have one filter. All question with options enhanced custom. So by default it's all. So means all the messaging component is visible here. You can filter from here. So I'm keeping as it is. I'm sending. Okay. Click on send. So here you can see what is your favorite fruit. Select an option: mango, banana, pineapple. Okay. We will see in customer screen. It is like a plain normal text. So default is text format. So the look and feel of text is this one. Now we will edit. Click on details. Here we have option called add format. So I will click on that. Here we have different formats. Okay. First is card closure. Second is list selector. Third is quick replies, and fourth is button. So we are using messaging for in-app and web. So that supports this. Here you can see card closure. A list selector is not supported by our messaging for in-app and web. Here you can see that is supported by Apple Message for Business, WhatsApp, and custom channel. Okay. Second is third is quick replies. Okay. So in quick replies, also our messaging for in-app supports. And last is buttons. Okay. So I will start from buttons only. Click on this. Now here you can see you are not getting any option for next. So I will little bit zoom out. Okay. Here you can see. Now I'm getting option. Done. So click on done. Again, I will switch back to my original. Okay. Click on buttons. Now here it is asking like what is your question? Okay. So you want to provide literals. Literals is normal text you want to provide, or when we have created this component, then we have asked a question with we have provided the question with a static options. So whatever we have asked, that is automatically created by Salesforce inside constant. Here you can see what is your favorite fruit. That is constant name is title. Okay. If you are going down, then in options we have mango, banana, whatever the options we have provided. Okay. So I am going to buttons. I am selecting constant. I am selecting my title. Here you can see what is your favorite fruit. You can use literal also, your wish. Okay. But in literals, you have to provide here. If you are selecting, then you have to provide. Here you can see I am using constant. Here, whatever the options we have provided, like mango, banana, all those things. So it will show in the form of buttons. Here you can see three buttons is coming. So I will use same. Uh, in buttons, here you can see options list item dot title, option list item dot subtitle. So I'm using title only because in if I'm going to constant, then subtitle is blank. Here you can see nothing is available in subtitle. We can edit and we can add subtitle also. Okay, so we can use title, we can use subtitle, our wish. Okay, so I have used title only. Click on save. Okay, so on same again I'm sending. So Joseph with here the look and feel is not that much good, but here you can see what is your favorite fruit. Here we have different options: pineapple, banana, mango. Okay, now we have used. Now we will try with any other. Okay, so again go to details. Now click on add formats. Just now we have tried buttons. We can try the quick replies also. It is also similar. So I will not try that. I will try card closure. Here you can see display a question with options shown as a cards with image and text. Like quick replies and buttons. Those are working without image. But card closure is working with image also. So I will select card closure, click on done. Okay. So here also I have to provide the question. So I'm using title. Okay. Subtitle you can configure. I'm just leaving as it is. And buttons same constant. Okay. Image I will provide. Okay. So from where we can provide the image? Go to your constant. Go down. Here you can see image, subtitle and image. Okay. So I will select images. I have already downloaded JPG format images. It is supporting JPG, PNG, GIF. Okay. So JPG format I have selected. So I am just select image I have selected. Click on done. It is giving some error. Ignore that. Click on here you can see mango 2. Click on banana. Same. I have selecting banana. Uploading. Click on done. Ignore this. Similarly, pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. So click on save. We have created, sorry, while creating the option, we have provided the images also. But that image we have to use in Carousel. So, where is image configuration? Go to constant list item dot image. Here you can see subtitle not configured. We can configure that also. No issue. Go to constant and here click on edit. I can provide mango sub. Means mango is my fruit name underscore sub. I'm just mentioning sub means subtitle. Okay. Similarly, I will add here banana underscore sub. We can provide pineapple underscore sub. Click on save. Go to card closure. Go to subtitle configuration. Constant subtitle. Here you can see mango underscore sub, banana underscore sub, pineapple underscore sub. We have configured buttons. Okay. We have configured image. We have configured subtitle. We have configured our question. Everything we have configured. Okay. Now we will send. Hmm, Go to here. Here you can see image is showing. This is our question. What is your favorite fruit? Mango underscore sub. This is our subtitle. And mango is our title. Okay. Click on here. You can click here. You can click here. Your wish. What is your favorite fruit? Banana underscore sub. Banana. This is the look and feel is good for this one. What is your favorite fruit? Pineapple. Pineapple. And this is the image of pineapple. The look and feel of this is card closure is good. Okay. Here I want to highlight one more point that here we have three format currently, but the latest one is uh, it is coming the format which coming on the top, that is high priority. Okay. After that, this is low priority, and means low priority means the priority of button is lower than card closure, and text is the lowest priority according to this. Okay. We can change order now. Suppose I'm just changing the order. Here you can see card is on top, sorry, button is on top, card closure on middle, and after that text. I will click on save. Okay. Now when I will use same messaging component, but now card closure will not show to agent. Buttons will show. Okay, I will show you. Here you can see buttons is coming. The okay. So because just now when I have changed the order means I have changed the priority. Okay. All three suppose buttons, card closure, text. All three format is supported by messaging for in-app and web. But the highest priority is related to buttons. So whenever I'm using this messaging component for messaging for in-app and web, then buttons will be used. Okay. Some Suppose something went wrong inside these buttons, then what is the next priority? Next priority is card closure. Automatically it will come to card closure. Automatically it will switch. We will not do anything. Okay. So till now we have learned how to send from agent, but this question with static option is supported by bot also. Like if we can configure in bot also, like bot automatically can send the question. Okay, so go to bot, YouTube demo bot. I will deactivate for some time. Here, here you can see, click on plus icon. Here you can see if you are searching with static. If you are searching with static, then you are getting two options. One is only static. Second is question static. Question static is nothing. It's a messaging component. Okay. Just here you can see, we can search. Question static option YouTube develop. Okay. So what is the second static? Because when we are searching with static, okay, then we have two options. Question static. Just now I have explained this is a messaging component. Second, then what is the next static? Next static is like here also you can ask the questions. Do you want? Okay, and we can provide the choice. Yes, no. Then what is the benefit? Okay. So when we are using static keyword, then also we can create question with a static menu or buttons. But that is related to bot only. We can't reuse. Okay. So suppose I have created this question in this bot. So this is applicable only for this bot. Suppose I have one another bot. So what will happen? Again, I have to create that question in another bot also again. But if we are creating messaging component means static question, then what will happen? We will create only once. We can use directly in n number of bots. Okay. Or we can use by agent also. It is depend on our requirement. Okay. So that is the main benefit of that. Okay. So this is the question with a static option. I hope it is clear.
Thank you. Please like, comment and share our video. Please subscribe our channel, Salesforce Dream, and press bell icon for new video notification.